Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tag. Good to see you guys again, and here to share my unboxing and impressions of a number of really cool Xiaomi devices. We have the Xiaomi Watch S1 Active, the Xiaomi Watch S1, and we have these Xiaomi Buds 3T Pros to unbox as well. Let's not waste any time and have a look. So that's right, folks. These are all launching on the March 15th Xiaomi 12 and 12 Pro event. And of course, I have fully reviewed the Xiaomi 12 Pro in previous videos, so decided to do something a little different, looking at a lot of these awesome wearables and TWS earbuds from Xiaomi as well. So in no particular order, let's get started with the watches. So here we see them, guys, the Xiaomi Watch S1 and the Watch S1 Active. Now, as a big watch guy now, I really am interested to see what Xiaomi has in store for these releases. So let's start with the Watch S1 Active. There you can see some of the key specs. You have dual frequency GPS, continual blood oxygen saturation monitoring, 50 meters water resistance, suitable for swimming. That is great to see. Call making via Bluetooth, 100 plus exercise modes, and yes, you will be getting a crisp and clear AMOLED HD display with long-lasting battery life as well. Let's go ahead and unbox this one right now. Tearing the plastic, here we go. Oh yeah. But before we lift this up, let's have a look at the Xiaomi Watch S1. This, I think, is the premier version of the Active. And let's have a look. We have a sapphire crystal HD display, dual frequency GPS, 100 plus exercise modes, blood oxygen tracking, long battery life, and call making via Bluetooth as well. Let's tear off the plastic for this one. And this one has a more premium kind of look and feel. And let's lift the lid on both of these. Here we go. Hoo hoo hoo. There it is, the S1 Active. And here we go, designed by Xiaomi. And there it is. And this one is a stunner. And initial impressions, guys, yes, you definitely feel this is the more elegant, more everyday use look, while the Active definitely has that sporty look and a rubber strap as well. So let's go ahead and get into this S1 Active. Very, very nice. Very comfortable silicone strap. And what I like about this unit initially is the thickness. As you can see, I'm wearing a G-Shock, and this is a pretty thin G-Shock at 12 millimeters. This is even slimmer, so this will fit very comfortably on any wrist, and it looks to be just about, this is probably around a 44, 43 millimeter watch. And there you see it, live your life a smarter way. And you do have outdoor, active, sport, and home buttons here. Let's go ahead and press this. I think that's the way to turn it on. Yes, it is. So before we set up the Watch Active, let's have a look at what is inside the box for this unit. We have some instruction manuals on this side, and on the other we should have it's a charging puck, so it's going to charge similar to some other smartwatches we've seen from Xiaomi, with a little pogo pins on the back. And now taking a look at the S1, and wow, I did not expect this. I gotta smell this, guys. Ooh, that is definitely genuine leather. That is awesome. And honestly, folks, I've not seen a genuine leather strap on a smartwatch, I guess, in a long time. And this really elevates the entire look of this watch. And you have this beautiful brushed finish. I think it's anodized aluminum that this watch is using. And as you can see there, very limited bezel on this unit. But man, also a very slim unit here compared to there you see the S1 Active. But man, this leather strap, I gotta try this on immediately. And here we go, wrist shot of the Xiaomi Watch S1. This leather really does make a difference, and it combines with the entire look of the smartwatch to give you a really elevated feel, and showing you, just like before, what's inside the S1 box we have. Could this be additional straps? Let's have a look. We do. We actually have an included rubber strap, silicone strap here with quick release spring bars included. That's a nice touch. It will be really easy to switch the straps on this watch. And on the other side, we have the manual, and we have a charging cable. And I think the charging puck is down there as well. So there we go, folks. We've unboxed the two watches, but now let's get to the Xiaomi Buds 3T Pros. And quick summary of the specs here for this one. We have adaptive active noise cancellation, dual magnetic unit with DLC diaphragm, and a multi-device smart connection capability on these. We also have a 96 kilohertz HD audio, that is impressive, Bluetooth 5.2, and head tracking and spatial audio as well. These look to be the premier earbuds from Xiaomi for global release. Lifting the lid, let's have a look. Hoo, that is cool. I love how they've used this almost sound waves. They've actually created a hardened plastic to imitate that look. Very sweet. And taking these out, let's have a look at the actual unit itself. Nice, soft, matte black texture. Once again, we get that similar AirPods Pro look, and I always want to compare to the AirPods because those are the ones that I think really brought in this trend. But there you can see a very short stem, just like the AirPods, with a nice soft silicone ear tip. But this stealth black look is very neat. I wish AirPods had more color options because this black is just super stealth and super cool. And my Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra is going to have quite a few devices it's going to be testing over the next couple days. Very neat. And you'll have extra ear tips included here with the Buds 3T Pro, various sizes, small, medium, and large, with a USB-C charging cable as well. So that's it, folks, for the unboxing portion of this video. But now I'm going to set these bad boys up and share my impressions of these units, especially what the interface looks like and what you can expect in day-to-day use with these awesome wearables and earbuds. Stay tuned. So back again, folks, after a number of days of using the Xiaomi Watch Active S1, the regular, and these awesome Xiaomi Buds 3T Pros. And here you see the watch in full action. It wears pretty big, I'm not going to lie, compared to the standard type of watch I use, 42 millimeters versus this looks like almost 46, 47. For my aesthetics, they're a little bit big on the wrist, but they are pretty slim. And all in all, guys, I think if you're a smartwatch user, it's more about the functionality of this kind of product. But one of the benefits of having such a large diameter is the display size. This is definitely one of the largest displays I've ever seen on a smartwatch. And the blacks are really black on both of these. They look terrific. And the functionality is really easy on these as well. You just press once to be able to access your apps, and then you press again here to be able to access your workouts. From trainings, outdoor activities, water sports, and more. And then you swipe down for notifications, swipe up for your control center, and then swiping to the left brings you to your widgets, and you can keep swiping until you get back to the watch face once again. Now, if I had to pick between two of these, it's gotta be the Watch S1. I just love the build quality of this thing, and the leather strap is just super comfortable. Yes, that means you're probably not going to want to use this strap, but you do have a rubber strap included for this watch, so I do think you can still use this S1 for activities where you sweat as well. But beyond these smartwatches, what about these Buds 3T Pros? Folks, I've really enjoyed these. From the way you toggle through noise cancellation, transparency modes, these really do remind me of AirPods. Now, you can say, is that good or bad? The functionality is so similar to AirPods and AirPods Pro that I just kind of like it. And anyone used to using AirPods or AirPods Pro will feel very comfortable with this product. And the audio quality is solid, and of course I did need to switch the ear tips for these, but now they fit pretty well. Of course, wireless charging is a great feature, and all in all, these are great AirPod Pro equivalents for you to consider if you're in the Xiaomi ecosystem. So that's it, folks, for my unboxing and impressions after a number of days of these products, the Xiaomi Watch S1, the S1 Active, and the Buds 3T Pros. And if you're in the Xiaomi ecosystem, then I think you will be a happy camper with these releases. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on these Xiaomi Watch S1 and S1 Actives and the Buds 3T Pro? And which is your favorite of these three products? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching, folks. Stay tuned for more great content here on the channel. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Very nice wearable, guys. Super premium, super cool. Oh yeah.